안녕하세요. 저는 브라질에서 소울을 많이 사랑하는 철떡비아라고 해요. Today we are going to meet some of my favorite train places in Seoul. 같이 갈까요? Right now we are on Chungjeong-ro station and we are going to our first train destination here in Seoul. 여기서 지난 겨울에 눈이 와서 아침에 저 이직에 와서 사진 많이 찍어요. 손을 얼을 때까지. So this is the first place here. This place called 철길떡볶이. Perfect. 생각보다 너무 시원하지. Actually, if I were to rank my favorite trains, I think first the regular subway, second is 무궁화 train, and third is KTX. I think the older ones have better aesthetics. Like, my favorite. So short. So I think this also used to be Semaulho, but Semaulho is out of business, right? 더운데요? All trains are beautiful.
왜 철떡이 됐어요?
사실은 모르겠어요, 진짜. 저 그냥 볼 때마다 기분이 더 좋고 예뻐서 보기 너무 좋아요. Oh my god. So let's try 만두. 사실은 제가 매운 음식을 잘 안 먹어요.
어때요?
맛있어요. 그리고 매운데 생각보다 많이 맵지 않나요? So yeah, those are like trains that go to Seoul Station or Yongsan Station, and this one, the past, was the train from Gyeonggi-Juna line.
You're really expert.
I love trains. So right now they open like a very brand new park right beside the crossing. I really like how like everywhere you go in Seoul, there is some kind of history to tell. So every place I see when there is some kind of plate like this, I like to stop and read to know what happened in this place years ago. I find it really nice, like you kind of like step in on history. So yeah. This is our last place for today. This is Dongjak Bridge, and we have the cafe in front of the Han River and trains. What can be better than that? So let's go up. 어때요? It's a bit cloudy today, but imagine this on a clear sunset day. Must be amazing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my train recommendations. Make sure to visit those places. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. 안녕.